How's it going? This is Daniel Bussius. I am so excited to share with you one of my absolute favorite pieces of software that I use on a daily basis across my entire organization, and that is AppointmentCore. And if you aren't familiar with what AppointmentCore is, then you're in for a treat. So AppointmentCore is an integration that integrates directly with your calendar. So if you use Google for your calendar, if you use Microsoft Office for your calendar, or a few others, AppointmentCore will integrate directly with your calendar, and then you can actually create booking links that set specific parameters for when someone can actually book time directly into your calendar. And AppointmentCore will make it all happen and then automatically send updates and reminders and automatically integrate with a slew of other integrations. And I'm about to show you what that looks like. So I'm on the AppointmentCore website, and I've just logged in into the back end of mine. And so what you're going to actually see here in just one moment is the booking links that I've actually set up. And so you're going to see here's all these different booking links. And so I've got a number of different ones. And in case you're familiar with my brand or not, I own a digital marketing agency, so that's why you're going to see some stuff that says copywriting and free consultation and graphic design, marketing, blah, blah, blah. And so, so what I can actually do is I can specify a specific type of meeting. So for example, marketing or an Infusionsoft kickstart or graphic design, and I can specify to say, hey, any kind of graphic design meeting should be 1 hour. And I can also dictate who in my organization has their availability checked before someone can actually book that meeting. So it's really cool. And then I can actually automatically, once it's booked, the date is chosen and the time is chosen, then it'll automatically embed that meeting into everybody's calendar. And so the other cool thing is if you have a team of people, if you have sales reps, you can have every single person in your organization have their own booking link, which is super cool. It gets even better, folks. You can integrate AppointmentCore with Infusionsoft, with Google Calendar, with Outlook, with GoToMeeting, with Plus, with Zoom webinars, and you can also embed AppointmentCore right into your website. And so what I've got is AppointmentCore integrated with my entire agency's Outlook calendars. I also have it integrated with Zoom, which is a webinar conferencing system, and I've got it embedded into my website. So if you book a meeting with using a specific booking link, then you actually will have Zoom pop up, and when everyone joins the meeting, Zoom, the web conferencing tool, will automatically load up and have a live web conference for everybody. Super, super cool. And it's also integrated with Infusionsoft, so I can shoot you out reminders and I can add you to campaigns and tag you and segment you if you're a potential customer or anything else. Now, a couple other things. You're going to see this is actually an email. This is my email signature. And I know it's really small, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this. And you're going to, if you can't see it because it's really small, I apologize, but it says schedule a meeting. And that's actually in my email signature by default. And so this schedule a meeting, actually, if I go over here to this web browser and I open up what that's going to look like, and so I'm going to do that for you, it's going to take you to my website. And this is right here to schedule a free consultation. And check this out. This right here, this is AppointmentCore. And so it's setting, hey, the next availability is Friday, February 2nd, and here are the available times that you can actually book a 30-minute consult. So if you were to choose selecting that, it's then going to pull up and say, okay, what's your information right here? And then if you save it, then it's automatically going to add it to actually one of my team member, Angela's, calendar. And so then it's going to send you reminders. If you input your phone number, it's going to actually send you a text reminder 15 minutes before the meeting. And then it's going to launch and it's going to add you into Infusionsoft, Just super, super cool. So if you don't have AppointmentCore and you do have Infusionsoft for your CRM, this is by far, I'm telling you folks, this is a game changer. If you're having issues with trying to have your sales reps be able to book times or meetings or consults to try to close deals or with leads or anything, this will be your solution. So I hope this was valuable. Have a great day, and thanks so much for watching.